The tear size of the tendon is evaluated. Biceps tendon is performed thermotomy. Basal layer is intact. In the joint, a spider needle is located in the articular layer tear. In the subclavian space, the mini incision is created. A suture anchor, deemed as mid-low anchor, is implanted. In the joint, a spider needle with PTS sutures is pierced into the joint. Knock push with one blue strand of anchor A is passed into the joint. The blue strand and the PTS suture are grabbed out of the body. By pulling opposite strand of the PTS suture, the blue strand is passed into the subclavian space. The other three strands of anchor A are performed the same procedures. Four strands are passed through the tendon. In the subclavian space, two suture anchors are implanted. The mini incision is presented. Strands from anchor A, anchor B, and anchor C are presented. One white strand from anchor A and the blue strand from anchor B are passed out of the body. The first set of double Pulley suture bridge is created. As a result of double Pulley suture bridge effect, the double Pulley suture bridge is delivered into the subclavian space. The mini incision can be partly closed. The opposite strands are knocked. Four sets of double Pulley suture bridges are presented and the mini incision can be closed perfectly. In the joint, the tear of the tendon is restored. Thank you very much.